Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the Tower Street Correctional Facility in downtown Kingston. This is one of 10 correctional facilities in Jamaica. Now, a lot of progress is going on in Jamaica. Police stations are being built, tax offices. But you notice you don't hear about any new prison being built. Now, this facility we're looking at was built 180 years ago. There is another prison in Spanish Town that was built over 300 years ago. And these are the larger prisons in Jamaica. There are 10 correctional facilities in all. But they're all very old. Jamaica needs a new, modern prison. But you don't hear any plans about it. Meaning, there's nothing in the budget this year to build a new prison. There was some talk about moving this prison that we're looking at to another location, but nothing has really come out of it. But Jamaica definitely needs a prison, a new prison. So guys, where do you think they should build this new prison? And it doesn't seem to be a priority. Very surprisingly. So guys, what do you think? Leave your comments in the section below. And also, where do you think the new prison should be built? It should be somewhere in the city of Kingston, because that's where you have the largest population in Jamaica. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think. Have a good day.